Hi everybody, in this video I'll show you how can you speed up an old iPad. In order to speed up old iPad, you simply want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Now, if your iPad is running slow, it's probably a RAM issue rather than a storage issue. Unless you're nearly maxed out the available gigabyte of the storage is nearly maximum capacity. It can help to delete apps that can error or never use it. So what you have to do is you could actually uninstall some of the applications which you no longer use it. That could be able to help you out as well. The other thing, what you could also do is stop background app refresh. So what you have to do is you simply want to go ahead and open up your settings first thing, and go to the background app refresh and make sure to toggle the button for this and see whether that fixes your issue or not. Next, what you could also do is you could also move photos and video to storage. So for that, you can optimize iPad storage. So go to photos and toggle the button for optimize iPad storage. The other thing, what you could also do is move downloaded music to a storage. So here, what you could do is you could simply go ahead and open up the music and click on only move down. And as for the Safari, you could go ahead and clear history and website cache as well. So go to Safari, click on clear history and web cache or data. That should be able to help you out as well. The next thing, what you could also do is change your graphic settings. So here, what you want to do is open the settings app, then go to accessibility. Simply click on display and text size, then toggle on or reduce transparency. And once you've actually done it then you want to go back to the accessibility and tap motions and toggle the button for reduce motion and speed transitions. This should be able to help you out. The other thing you could also do is turn off Siri and search as well. For that, you simply want to open the settings, go to Siri and search. If you want to disable allow notifications, show in app library and spotlights show when sharing and show when listening, toggle all the 4 options and that should be able to help you out as well. So these are some of the ways in order to speed up old iPad. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.